Sleep does not come easy to most people, especially those caught in all of life's stressors. Sleep may elude us at times, but when it occurs very often, we are likely in some sort of trouble. A natural sedative may be required for some people to induce sleep. Chronic sleeplessness, or insomnia, is the bedrock of many diseases, and it is associated with many metabolic conditions. From listlessness and fatigue to hypertension and cardiovascular diseases, lack of sleep can be a major culprit of complications. Over-the-counter sleep aids offer great relief during those sleepless nights. If you consult a doctor for sleep problems, you will likely be given a sedative and other drug that promotes good quality sleep. If you want to take a natural route, you may also lean on sleep-supportive herbs. Herbs are just one of the ways you can fall asleep faster and for longer periods. Sleep hygiene practices and your daily activities also influence how you rest at night. That's why I've always recommended a holistic routine of sleep. I found the one that works best in the sleep protocol of this book that I keep close. You should check it out while their deal lasts. This recipe is a sedative you can prepare in bulk and reach for when needed. If preparing tea is tedious for you, some sleep gummies you can pop in your mouth may be more convenient. For this natural sedative, you will need a few of the sedative herbs we have discussed above, whichever is available. Just steep the tea, bind it with gelatin and keep it in a jar. So, whenever sleeplessness is robbing you of relaxation, you can just pick a sedative gummy or two to give you some shut-eye. The hardware you will need are tea infuser and saucepan or pot. Now we are ready to make the sedative herb water with these ingredients: 3 cups water, 1/4 cup monk fruit powder or other sweeteners like erythritol or stevia. Optional: 3 teaspoons chamomile, 2 teaspoons peppermint, 2 teaspoons lemon balm, 1 teaspoon lavender, 1 teaspoon passion flower, 1/4 of a teaspoon valerian. We are now good to go and must follow these steps. Step 1: in a saucepan, bring the 3 cups of water to a boil. Step 2: turn off the heat and add the monk fruit powder. Stir until dissolved. You can add more monk fruit to your desired sweetness. Step 3: add all the herbs to the water, cover and let sit for 3 hours. Step 4: strain and squeeze out all the liquid. Now to make the natural sedative gummies, here are the ingredients: 12 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Follow these steps to make the sedative gummies. Step 1: put the gelatin powder in a bowl and pour some of the sedative tea to hydrate the powder. Step 2: put the tea back into the stove and heat over low without boiling it. Add the hydrated gelatin into the pot and stir until dissolved and smooth. Step 3: transfer the liquid into a beaker or any small vessel for easy pouring. You can use your tea carafe if you want. Pour the liquid into silicone molds and let sit in a fridge before removing and transferring them to a jar. You may keep the sedative gummies in a jar for 1 to 2 weeks. The sedative jelly gummies are ready. Have some natural sedative gummies before bedtime. The gummies are generally safe for consumption but must also be taken moderately to avoid ill side effects. They have that distinct earthy and herbal taste, just like your cup of tea. You can adjust it by adding more sweetener according to your desired taste. Alternatively, you can add pigmented herbs like hibiscus or saffron to put some color in your gummies.